Hello, good evening. This is host Dennis, and today I'm going to take you to install Kali Linux. I'm sorry I've started on this step, but when I get another time, I'll take you through the remaining steps. Now, as you can follow, you see here, mostly this is what disturbs people because some people use guided use entire disk, and it will completely format your hard disk and you lose everything. Some people use guided use the largest continuous free space and it's not good. It is better to use the manual method. And when you do manual, it will show you the partitions that you have. Like now me you can see I have these spaces. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But I'm going to use this one, so I'm going to use this one and go to continue. So I'm going to create it as a new partition, and when I create it as a new partition, what they're going to tell me is it is 207 GB and the partition table is extension for generating system, and I'm going to use the mount point as the slash. It has already done it for me. And label, I don't want to label, so everything is done, and I say done setting the partition and I continue. So from there you see all these are NTFSs, they are Windows partitions. This is Linux partition. So I say I finish finish partitioning and write changes to the disk, then I continue. So when I click continue, it is going to say, do you want to return to the partitioning table? And I'll say no, because I'm already done. You have not selected any partitions for user swap space. Is recommended so that the system can make better use. You may experience installation problems. I say no, because the partition is big enough. 200 GB is enough for the Windows to breathe and do all it wants. So I can do finish, and this is my partition. So I can say finish, continue. Do you want to return? No. Write changes to the disk and I say yes. Okay, so the partition 6, which had nothing, is going to be formatted partition. So you can see how it is. This partition 6 of this as extension 4, and then I write changes to the disk and I say continue. So it will now begin partitioning partition formats, and that is the that part I've come from is most challenging for people who are installing Linux. So the Bootstrap program exited with an error. I don't know what error it got, so I continue. The base system installation into target failed. Oh, what? So continue. It can't do anything. Install the base system. The Debian installer main menu. Install the base system. I don't know what. Continue the installation. The installation depends on one or more that you've not. Continue. It is saying that the Bootstrap program exited with an error. This error value, I don't actually know. I'm going to find out from Google what it means.